Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. Okay, so today I decided to change location. This is not my popular form of video. Okay, but I just say let me do a new location. So some time ago, I did video adding oregano to my recipe. So a lot of people were asking which one is oregano. So I decided to bring it up here. So this is oregano, okay? This is oregano, although this one is dried. This one is dried one. You can actually get the fresh one. So oregano is like mint leaf, okay? It's like mint leaf. It's actually from the mint family, okay? So oregano basically is spices added to food, okay? It's used for cooking. You can actually add it as spice to your food. But oregano has a lot of great benefit medically, that's have a great health benefits to the body. So apart from using it to cook, there are other things you can actually use oregano for. Okay, for instance, oregano is anti-inflammatory. Okay, it's very good for the reduction or relief of pain. Okay, so if you are having severe pain, you may want to try oregano. Okay, so most especially those having issue with arthritis, that's you are having pain with arthritis, you can as well try oregano. It will definitely relieve you of that pain. Okay, it's highly good. It's highly good to fight inflammation. Okay, then two, oregano too is antibacterial. So if you are having like fungi, you can use oregano. It will definitely work for you. It will work for you. It's antibacterial. It's very good to work for you. Then oregano, you can also use oregano if you are fighting cancer. Oregano is anti-cancer. So if you are fighting cancer, you can use oregano as well. It's very good. These things has been in use for ages. People have been using it for thousands of years. Okay, it's just that a lot of people don't really believe in herbs. There is power in nature. All these things you are seeing around you are the things God has put in place that you can use it for your food and for your medicine. Okay, that is it. So oregano too has a lot of antioxidants. Have a lot of antioxidants. Okay, and also oregano is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, as well as zinc. Okay, so this is very good for immune boosting. So for those that are having problem with their immune system, you can also try oregano. Oregano is very good. All right, then one more thing again, oregano as well is very good for infection. Okay, you can actually use oregano to fight infection, though there are other things you can add to oregano. Okay, so in the coming days I'm going to be explaining then how you can use this oregano to fight infection. Okay, even you can use it for viral infection, but there are other things you can add to it to be able to do that. But as for oregano, is very good. It's very good for infection. Okay, so for total well-being of the body, I think everyone need oregano. Okay, so if you can have it at home, make a tea out of it, just like the one I'm having here. This is oregano tea. There's nothing added to this. This is purely natural. Okay, it's purely natural. So you can as well boil it at home. At least 3 to 5 minutes boil is okay for just oregano alone. Then you can take this morning and evening. You will see the way your system will look like. So for those that doesn't know oregano, oregano has a little bitter taste, and sometimes pepperish. You feel that meat in it. Okay, so it's not that it's that too bitter. It's not that too bitter. Okay, but it's very nice. I think everyone need to have this at home so that you can able to do one or two things with it. So don't forget, keep to this channel. You have a lot to gain in this channel. So if you are just coming in, try as much as possible to do the needful. Subscribe to this channel, okay? Do not forget to give me thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you don't lose anything in this channel. Like I always say, this is the channel to be. This is the channel to be, because all that you are looking for, they are right here. I've actually made a lot of videos pertaining health, that's naturally, okay? Whatever I'm doing here, they are all natural. Everything here are all natural, okay? So you can as well go through all my videos. You will benefit a lot from this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.